In this video, we will see in detail the possibilities of running AlgoTouch in animation mode. We use the selection sorting program seen in a previous video. As a reminder, this program is made up of two macros. PlaceMin, which places at I the smallest value from index I. As an example, we place I at 0, and we execute PlaceMin by clicking on the triangle on the macro. The value 10 is placed in cell 0, the value of I. The second selection sort macro sorts the array by placing at I, which is initially 0, the smallest value in the array starting from index I. Let's immediately note the possibility offered by AlgoTouch to execute each macro independently. In our case, it is possible to check the correct functioning of the PlaceMin macro before building selection sort. Running in normal mode allows you to see changes to the program data content, but running in animation mode allows you to go further in this visualization. Let's start by giving content to table E with a right click, then copy the values and set I to 0. We start with the PlaceMin macro, which we select with a click on the workspace. We click the Prepare to Run in Animation Mode button above the workspace. New buttons appear to execute the code in different ways. In the code, the selection is on the initialization comment line. To see the execution in more detail, we switch from block mode to line mode. The selection goes to the instruction j equals I plus 1. By clicking on the black triangle in the toolbar, the instruction j equals I plus 1 is executed. The value of j changes to 1 and the selection switches to the exit if j greater than or equal to in a comment and to the continuation condition j strictly less than len a. By clicking again on the black triangle in the toolbar, the selection moves to the line if ai strictly greater than aj. Indeed, the output condition I greater than or equal to len a is not verified. J is 1 and len a is 10. At this point in the program, the value of ai is 90, and that of aj is 40. The condition ai strictly greater than aj is verified. Executing with the black triangle in the toolbar, therefore changes the selection to TMP equals aj. We can triple-click the run triangle on the toolbar to invert the values of ai and aj. The selection changes to j equals j plus 1. Executing this statement changes the value of j to 2, and selects exit if ai strictly greater than aj and j strictly less than len a in the while. The exit condition is still not checked. Execution continues with if ai strictly greater than aj. Here ai, which is worth 40, is smaller than aj, which is worth 70. The two values must not be reversed. The selection goes directly to j equals j plus 1. The selection then switches to exit if j greater than or equal to len a, and to j strictly less than len a in the while. You should still not exit the loop. The selection goes to if j strictly less than len a. Now that we see how the loop works, to go faster, we select block in the toolbar. Even if the selection remains on if j strictly less than len a, the entire loop body will be executed. After execution with the black triangle, j is set to 4 and the selection on the exit condition comment and on the Python while we must still not get out of the loop. The selection moves to the comment line loop body. The execution reverses 10 and 40 and sets j to 5. We can now continue execution in automatic mode with the double triangle in the toolbar. It is also possible to pause to restart execution either in manual mode or in automatic mode. Note that it is possible to go back using the cancel button on the toolbar. Here we go back twice. Finally, we start again in automatic mode until the end of the loop. The program ends when j reaches 10. Let's now move on to the selection sort macro by selecting it by clicking on the workspace. We start from an unsorted table with a right click on table A, and we copy new content. Let's start execution in animation mode by clicking on the toolbar button. We choose line by line execution. First, the execution I equals 0. That of IEND equals len a minus 1. The exit condition I greater than or equal to IEND is not true. The selection passes to PlaceMin of the loop body, executing placeMin places 10 as 0 at index I, then I change to 1. The selection goes to the exit condition I greater than or equal to IEND or that of continuation I strictly less than IEND. We continue in automatic mode and we see the values being placed gradually until the exit condition I greater than equal IEND is true and the array is fully sorted. In this video we saw the use of running in animation mode with several macro loops. In an upcoming video we will see how to create an AlgoTouch loop with multiple exit conditions in a loop.